Here we come to the elevators at 101 South Elm Street in downtown Greensboro, North Carolina. And these are Dover Classic Traditional. These are officially 30 years old now. Let's see how they run. Oh, this ought to be good. Installed in 1985. It's got a quiet sounding motor. This thing's getting kind of a bit busy. I kind of want to hear the elevator motor without the other car interrupting. But anyways, here we are at 1 for JimLiElevators. Andrew has filmed here before, like a couple months back. The motor, actually, especially the motor, is kind of a bit quiet. And in case you guys wonder, I actually now have a Dover Traditional button exactly like this one right here that you see. Love that chime. All right, here it is. It's got a nice sounding motor. Anyways, these are your fixtures. There's your phone. There was no phone in the other elevator car. There's your indicator. Dover Traditional. I gotta love Dover Traditional. Yeah, this building is getting kind of a bit busy, so I think this is what we can get. Anyways, here we are, G, and we'll go ahead and watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.